back for another day. We're going to get started on tearing out some walls, framing up some walls, hopefully get the back roof taken care of today. On a positive note, we did get our temporary power turned on, so we have some temporary power. We only have 1 or 2 outlets, but there we have it. We have power. So we're going to be able to stop running the generator, which is a positive note, because, well, that costs a bunch of money. And not that we're not spending a bunch anyway, but every dollar counts, right? So we're going to get started, and we're going to get the back walls tore out. Got to tear off the back roof, frame up some walls, finish the flooring. It's going to be a long weekend. As I mentioned previously, we did get our panel installed. It's just temporary. You can see we got a couple of outlets run in on there, just temporary, so we can have some power instead of running the generator. But this wouldn't have been the ideal place for me to have the power, but instead of additional expense of moving the meter can, I just figured I'd leave it here. We've got all the flooring overlaid. This is 5/8 Advantec. Supposed to be pretty good stuff. Wish we had a little bit better light in here, but it's getting late in the day and it's overcast and starting to rain, so we're gonna call it a day, because quite frankly I'm beat. It's been a long weekend. Alright, that's the end of the day. You can see we got a lot of framing done. Try to get a little light in here so you can see, but do the grand tour. We're coming into the hallway here. This is going to be the bedroom. See, I've got the walls framed up here. Bathroom is going to be framed in here. We've got to move this window over here yet. So once we get that moved, we'll be able to finish framing. Come in the hallway here. This doorway will lead into this bedroom, and we'll go into the master bedroom. As you can see, the back wall is all open. It is what it is. We'll get back to it when we get some time, but we've got the master bath framed out. We got the tub set, just temporary, and we got that little square area there is going to be where the pantry is going to be. We're going to have this is going to be the walk-in closet. It's coming along quite nicely. Kind of want to give you an overview of what we've done on the outside. We took off the low ceiling, the low roof. We extended this up to what is sort of a normal height. It's not quite 8 foot. We couldn't really get 8 foot with the rest of the ceilings. We'll have to come back later and fix this siding, but we got a window going in there for the kitchen, and as you can see, there's a lot of work to do out here yet. That's going to be the window for the bedroom.